Hi remodeling fans, this is Jay with Classic Kitchens Etc. And today we are talking about shower seats. The main thing on shower seats is what height to put them at, right? Typical height for a standard chair is 18 inches, or I think it's 16 to 18 inches. And so normal shower seat height is kind of in that same range. We normally go a little bit taller for a shower seat. So we go anywhere between 18 and 20 inches is pretty much our standard. So when you're framing it in, you want to take into consideration whatever flooring you're using. If you're in the West, here in California, you're probably doing a hot mop shower pan with a mortar bed on top of that. So you're going to have to take all that into consideration, right? If you're not using that type of insulation, if you're using like some kind of Weddy board or Schluter board or some kind of a waterproof backer board, then your dimensions are going to change. But so basically you want to figure out your rough framing dimensions, and then you add on all your finishes to figure out what the height will be from your finished floor to the finished top. And this one right here is sitting at about 19 inches. I'm 6'1". So this kind of shows you about what you're going to be at 19 inches. So if you're a little bit taller, maybe go to 20, a little bit shorter, maybe go to 18, but I wouldn't go any lower than 18. And then also there's the different finishes you can have. So this is a tile finish with a bullnose edge. Looks really cool, looks really clean. You can see the tile that comes right down and water falls right over the edge there. That has a clean look. On this shower vignette that I have, I did a slab top. So that's a different look. You can have the tile, as you can see, and then I put a slab top. The other thing about a slab top is it gives you a little overhang as well. So that's a kind of a cool aesthetic. So there's some options for you. And there's some information on what height to put your shower seat at. I hope that helps you with your next remodel, and good luck with your next remodel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.